Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll show you how to cook roasted pork. So here is the half picnic roast. So this I bought from Walmart. So this is 7.5 pounds. So let's get started. So step 1, let's make the hole all over the pork. So as you can see me how I make this. So next step, guys, so we have to blend the garlic. So we can add ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground oregano, and half teaspoon of black pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of sea salt. And we can add 1/4 cup of vinegar, and then we can add 1/4 cup of olive oil, so next step, let's marinate the pork. So first we have to put some garlic inside the hole of the pork, like this. Now let's marinate with the garlic. And you have to put all over the pork. Make sure that all the garlic with salt is in. Let's see. As you can see, this looks really nice. So you have to do like this. Here you go, guys. It should look like this after you marinate for 12 hours. So guys, so let's cook this pork for about like 3 hours. Okay, so see you later. So here you go, guys. Look at the roast pork. So delicious. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Have a good day.